Quarantine at Redford Union High School after bed bugs start roaming the halls. Fox 2's Hannah Saunders gets to the bottom of this pesky problem.
2 bed bugs have been found in the gymnasium of Redford Union High, but parents and students worry where there's a couple, there's more.
Because I didn't want any bugs being transferred to him or to our home.
School officials say in a notice to parents, a couple bugs were discovered May 12th. Then the gym was treated last Wednesday, May 17th.
Bed bugs, they're not contained to one area. I think the whole school should be shut down and sprayed.
But now parents and students wonder if the school is all clear, then why is the gym still closed?
What will put my mind at ease is if the school reopen that gym.
We haven't found anyone at the school administrative offices to speak with us about this, but in a letter sent home to parents, they say the bed bugs are gone. They say they fumigated the school and even brought in dogs to sniff for the bed bugs and found nothing. Also in the notice, parents were given several tips on how to treat bed bugs, including what signs to look for and what to do with infested clothes.
If that epidemic breaks out there, then I don't want it to be here at the house. And also, if it's happening if the whole gym is quarantined off, what makes you think that the rest of the school wouldn't be quarantined?
According to several fumigation services, treated areas should be able to reopen after about a day.
I would just want the school to be honest with the parents.
In Redford, Hannah Saunders, Fox 2 News.